Surkhon Sifat Textile, a modern factory founded in 2018 in the Surkhandarya region. We produce high-quality cotton yarn using environmentally friendly raw materials and the most advanced equipment. More than 600 qualified specialists and foreign experts from Turkey, Pakistan, and India are employed in production. Their experience and knowledge allow us to meet the highest international standards. The annual output exceeds 12,000 tons of yarn, while the cotton processing capacity is over 20,000 tons per year. The products of Surkhon Sifat Textile are exported to China, Turkey, Egypt, Iran, and many European countries where our quality, stability, and reliability are highly valued. Surkhon Sifat Textile, the threads of the future, created today.